Guys, I'm stressed today. So what I'm gonna do when I'm stressed, I'm gonna open my boxes. So today I'm going to open one of my box. Oh, this is light. So this is from Ulta Beauty. Let's do it, my friends. Let me show you. Hey, I got my tools here to open. So wait, I forgot what was inside. Oh my, this is only one? Nah, just kidding. Ooh, yes. Oh, the receipt. I'm glad. Oh my god, I got a lot in here. Oh my god, this is the one I picked. Oh, this is Chanel, Dior, another Dior, and another Dior. Look at that. This is so exciting, guys. Oh, I love this. This is a luxury products I got from Ulta. I use my points, most of it. That's why I got this from there. Because normally I order at Dior.com. Because I have rewards there too. But I use this one because it was like there's a 20% off during that time. Luxury products is considered as 20%. So that's barely happen. So Chanel, you cannot get it 20% anywhere else. And this is the lipstick. This is the one. I got one color of this, the darker one, but I picked this time. Look at that. Like a rose pink, or like, I don't know how to say that, but it's pink though. I don't know the kind of color pink, but this is pink. Perfect for daily wear. Ooh. Liner, guys. So let's check the inside. This is a contour lip liner. So this is the color. I already have the red one. I didn't even use it yet. And this is comes with a sharpener though. Individual sharpener. I don't know how to say it now. I get excited. And this color is, see, this is, it has a individual sharpener every time you buy. So this one is that color. And I got the color upstairs. So I got a lot of colors to pick for all my lipsticks. So this is a good one. It's a long lasting, it said. So here we go. Bye.